Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. And today we got the Z. Look how filthy my wheels are, guys. I am disgusted in my own. Oh no, that one's not that bad. This one's really bad. I'm disgusted with myself. Like, that's pretty bad. And so what we got going on is my friend Dom is really good at detailing. He's gonna come by Zach's house real quick and detail the interior of the car, because the interior is also, as you can tell, very not clean. Very not clean. And so we're gonna have Dom do that, detail the inside of the car, make it all nice and clean looking and pretty. And then I, after Dom's done with that, am going to go to the car wash and give you guys a whole POV shot. Yeah, that's right, baby, on my forehead, of me washing this baby down, everything that I do to it, every time I need to wash it. Every time I wash it, it looks great, but then immediately afterwards, it looks terrible because...
What's going on, guys? Mark Roden here. Today we're detailing my 350Z. It's pretty gross. Ugh.
You got a vacuum cleaner?
My name's Mark.
Oh, Mark, you got a vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, I have it.
Hey guys, SmoothStance here. So we're trying to record, but we kind of can't because it's. Oh shit! Damn, look at that. Damn. Yeah, but the idiot over here is playing Pop Smoke, so we can't record too much. All right, we're back. Got Dom in the back. Everybody's out today. Nice ass day. This clown's leaving. We can listen to him. We could record now that idiot's out of here. So if you saw this car before, you wouldn't believe it. Mark was driving around like that. He's got his ECU right here on the floor. It's not good. As you guys can see, the man has his whole butt out. I don't know why. I think he needs a bigger, I think he needs a smaller size pair of pants and a belt. Okay, so I'm gonna play a little prank on Mark. So Mark, I didn't press record. It's recording now, but
Yeah, you definitely pressed record. You're lying. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed Dom and Chris's company, but now they're back. Dude, look at the interior. That puppy's looking good, Dom. And he's got the drippy shoes on. Those are actually really cool shoes. Anyway, now he's cleaning the interior. And on top of that, a little bit of a surprise today that is just a big, massive deal that I was not expecting in the slightest bit. Zach is wrapping his Miata. And look how good it is, guys. He literally just started like a half hour ago, and got the top part of the trunk done, and now he's working around over here.
This is so hard.
He's wrapping a car for his first time, and it's honestly impressive how good it's coming out.
you clean the interior of this thing once, and then Mark threw in my deep.
No, you did not. No, you did not. You cleaned like a part of the interior for like 2 seconds, and then got bored and just gave up.
No, who wouldn't give up? The freaking ECU is on the ground on this thing.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of weird, dude.
Kind of scary knowing you have water leak. You see your ECU vibing down here?
ECU's fine. You don't have to make fun of my ECU, Chris, just because you're mad that you don't have an E46 yet.
Dude, I'm literally gonna freaking freak you.
Oh, anyway, guys, this thing's looking great. Oh, wait, did you guys vacuum the trunk too? Yeah. Ooh.
That's gonna be an extra 90 bucks.
Dude, this thing's looking amazing.
Extra $6 grand.
Wow, you're doing amazing.
Is that true?
Only bad part is the floor mats are a little filthy.
I literally smacked those floor mats and probably a pound of dirt came out.
Bro, how do you have rust on plastic?
What?
There's orange spots on the plastic.
Overspray.
Rust.
Yeah, it's overspray. No,
rusty.
it's overspray.
Rusty.
That's weight reduction.
Dude.
This isn't plastic. This is obviously metal. Can't you tell? Because it's silver.
Yeah, brushed aluminum.
Well, either way, you're doing a great job. I have faith
Trying
in you.
here.
Oh, you cleaned right here too?
Yeah, well, I was letting it dirty. You see it when you open
Dude, that thing, that looks 10 times better. That looks like dog. That looks so much better. This thing does bottom out really easily though, which is why I'm scared to go even lower.
You have to go even lower. On the floor.
You have to go lower. You're not even low.
Oh,
Your truck is your car's a monster truck.
Yeah, okay.
My bad. I almost called it a truck, so it looks like a Ford F-150
Good,
car.
but it's like,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's not
That's
But-
not even. You would do it right there.
Oh yeah.
size wheels are weird.
Still.
You're breaking my fenders.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow. I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. My best friend to 23. I heard the heavens crying above me. They gained an angel, I lost a friend. I felt like dying again and again. I went through hell, stared at death, but I keep fighting with each living breath. I saw no way out from where I stood. Felt like the fire had burned me for. Now you're gone, I'm alone. I guess it's time to get better. Through the pain, I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. 'Cause I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend.
What are you doing now?
It's pretty low.
16 minutes. He's rich, guys.
How much money is that gonna be?
What?
How much money is that gonna be?
$16.
Oh, okay. That's not bad.
See? Look at that. And now we cut the video. Or we do a time lapse of us wiping it.
Oh, actually, that's a good idea. Yeah.
Here, I'll turn this off.
Dude, we should just. Alright, we're all done cleaning the puppy, but Chris stole my car. guys, look at Tom's car. Look at this thing, man. Chris, what you doing in this puppy? Oh, you got the velvet red interior?
Yeah, the AIDS interior.
Look at the
Where the coronavirus was originated.
Hold up, I got it.
You got a thing is a low rider. He's got. Oh yeah, golden. All right, now I'm gonna dent the hood up again. I gotta show the vlog this. This thing is amazing. Dom, get back on the back again. Dude. This thing is hilarious. It was it's got BC Racing coils on it, so it's really stiff. Are those TE37s?
Yep. T20.
Ooh, dude, this is an RB86.
Yep. This car's ran off of T20 torch bits.
3-liter V6. How much horsepower does it make?
Like 7.
This thing ran off of T20 torch bits.
Is this? Oh, that works. Dude, that works a tree. That works a. Is the battery just hanging out in here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Why is every car
Hit
you
the
own
hood,
like
see?
the batteries
Is that
like
line?
that with the Talon?
I don't know.
Dude, this thing is minty fresh. What? Hey, Chris, can you explain why you made fun of my fitment earlier before when I literally could fit my whole foot and still have like play in yours?
Go try and lower those coilovers then. Go try and do it.
I don't care. You can't make fun of my coils of yours.
Yeah,
No, you can't.
yes, I can, Mark.
No, you can't.
Dude, don't tell me how to live my life.
Well, your car's fitment is badonkers.
My
So.
wheels cost more than yours.
How much do they cost?
$1,300.
You bought them used, $1,300?
Nope. Zach bought them used.
Zach, is this true? You bought his wheels for $1,300?
No.
13 new.
1,300 new, okay, but you got used ones, so it don't count.
They weren't even used.
Obviously they were.
Mark, I hate you so much.
How did he get them? How did he get them for $1,000 if they weren't used? Do you have a discount
They
code?
were on a guy's car.
That's used.
They used them.
Well, these are
I hate
brand.
this guy.
These are brand new.
Yeah,
Also, these tires
brand
are
chipped.
the baldest tires in the world.
They're drag slicks. They're Mickey Thompsons.
Yeah. Now Zach's going on to his quarter panel. Look at his trunk, man. That thing looks great. Alright guys, so that's actually going to be the end of today's video. This one was just a little bit small, but it was a fun time. Had a great time. I love doing little like work on our cars with my friends. Tomorrow I'm probably going to give you, well not tomorrow, but tomorrow I'm going to go down there, and then in 2 days I'm going to give you an update on Zach's Miata. The 350Z looks amazing right now. The exterior is really clean, interior is really clean. Yeah, I just want to get to more parts on that car, man. It's just, they're so expensive. Oh. But yeah, we're also going to be lowering my car soon and putting coilovers on Ben's BMW E46. So that's going to be like probably next weekend. It's going to be a blast. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed, you already know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want some SmoothStance hats, shirts, or shorts, you know where to go. www.smoothstance.com/shop. I really want to say thank you to everybody that bought something. It means the world to me. I was not expecting to get that many sales that fast. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys buying something. You guys are legends. So anyway guys, that's what Danya. Have a nice night.